guys, it's Sergio and I'm back with another video. Today's the part 4 of Reno vlog and I'm gonna go get breakfast. So I just got a donut. It's good. It's chocolate. Yeah. I don't really get like a full breakfast when it comes to like hotel stuff. So I might be going to the pool or arcade. So I'll see you guys. So I'm at the bowling alley right now and I just finished and I got 118. So I'm gonna start a new game. Or there we go. Okay, so I'll show you guys my results. 118 and 117, which adds up to 235 points. So that's all I'm gonna be doing for bowling, and I might do arcade. So I'll see you guys in the arcade, and I got $5. Just let's see how much I can win with. I'm gonna play this game. Where do I drop the ball? Oh, I didn't know where to drop the ball. Oh, I got 10. Okay, not bad. I didn't know where to press the button. I was like, wait, what? Okay, let's see what else game. I play this game now. This game is from the Pepper Mill from the first vlog. Let's see if I can get 1,000 or anything. $75? No. Darn it. Let's see what else games there. Game one more time. And then I'll play 2 more games. No, I almost got 500. Let's try this claw machine ticket game. They have another one, like the big one, but it wasn't working. So they put all the 500s in bad positions. Or the 5,000s? Or 500s? I don't think I can grab any of them. How much time do I have? 14 seconds? Yeah, I can't grab any of them. That's rigged. Let's go for this. Let's just go for this one. No, I didn't get any. I'm gonna try this game. I have to stop on the 250. Oh, I got 10. Okay. So me and my parents are gonna go out somewhere for lunch. We're not gonna be at the Great Sierra. And then we're gonna come back and go to the pool. So I'll see you guys when we go get. Okay guys, so we just finished at IHOP. It was good. I had chicken strips and a chicken sandwich and french fries. So yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart and get school supplies. Oh no, but I'll see you guys when we get to the backpack, and it's Champion. And it's all black, and yeah, and I got some other shirts. And we're at Ross. We're at the Reno Mall, and I got a pretzel. And I'll see you guys when we do something else in the mall. Back at the hotel, and we might go bowling again, but with my family this time. So yeah, and then we might go. Okay guys, so we're at the bowling alley. Can't get us. Okay guys, so I got 103. It has to. So yeah. Grand Cafe. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get my food in 3, 2. Guys, so we just got chow mein, and yeah, and I'm gonna go to the pool next. So I'll see you guys there. What the? Okay guys, so we couldn't go to the pool because it was closed, but I got a milkshake. And so I'm gonna keep recording tomorrow when we go to the pool. So the vlog is not ending yet. So I'm gonna include Sunday into this vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we go to the pool. We're going bowling with Santi, and it's morning time. And we might go to the pool. We're not sure yet, but let's see who's gonna win. Well, we just tied. We tied. Yeah. So I gave him 1 spare to get a little head. But yeah, we tied. So we might go to the pool now. So I'll see you guys in the pool right now. We're gonna go swim. We'll see you guys in a little bit. That's gonna be the end of the vlog for today, which is Sunday, and yesterday. And school's starting on Tuesday, so I'm not gonna be really making that many videos during the school year. Mostly when it's holidays, because I'll be with my cousins. So yeah, thank you for watching. watching this Reno vlog, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting not as much because it's school starting again. I'm going into 8th grade, so yeah. Oh shoot, I dropped that. And then also yeah, that's gonna be the end. Thank you for this journey, watching my videos this whole summer, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.